Snoop Dogg plans to make Death Row Records the first NFT major label. He made the announcement on Clubhouse Tuesday after buying the label last week. We predicted this as soon as the news broke that he was going to be buying Death Row. I was like, oh, there's got to be some kind of NFT play to this because he's been
you're right.
So forward with his approach towards crypto and NFTs and all kinds of new stuff. He plans to turn Death Row Records into a non-fungible token less than a week after taking ownership of the label. We will be putting out artists through the metaverse and through a whole nother chain of music, he said, according to the audio call. Just like when we broke the industry when we were first independent to be major, I want to be the first major in the metaverse. The rapper and entrepreneur who performed alongside Death Row co-founder Dr. Dre. In September, he revealed that he'd collected over 17 million worth of NFTs under the alias Cosmo de Medici. He also minted several of his own NFTs last year, one of which sold for the equivalent of nearly $750,000 in Ethereum. And Friday, he released 25,000 NFT stash boxes of his new album, BODR, back on Death Row, each containing one of the record's 17 songs and priced at $5,000 on Monday. Trapital founder Dan Runcie reported that nearly 9,000 of those boxes had already been sold, generating almost $44 million in revenue. And of course, with NFTs, you have the royalties built into it. Yeah. NFTs in music, it seems like it might actually turn into a thing for a lot of artists. I mean, what does it mean for the music business? It's hard to say. Benefits and drawbacks, obviously.
Yeah.
Exclusivity. I mean, Kanye's doing his thing with the stem player. It's not quite an NFT, but it's definitely a different model and approach to streaming. But it also might make getting the music a little more difficult for certain individuals. Possibly less accessible.